The word government. The system or group of people governing a country or state. Federal government, local government, central government. The federal government passed a new healthcare policy last month. One in the local government is responsible for maintaining city roads. And a central government announced a nationwide education reform, the act or process of governing. Form a government, overthrow the government, government control, and after the election, the winning party will form a government. When protesters planned to overthrow the government due to corruption, the industry faced strict government control over safety standards, the institution through which political authority is exercised. Government policy, government agency, government official. A new government policy aims to reduce carbon emissions, and a government agency is investigating the matter. And the government official gave a press conference this morning. The period during which a person or group holds power. Under the government, previous government, current government. Under the government of President Lee, many social reforms were introduced. The previous government had a different approach to economic growth. The current government is focusing on infrastructure development, used to refer to public sector entities or funding. Government funding, government job, government contract. Then the school receives government funding for its lunch program, and she works in a government job at the tax department. The company won a government contract to build the new bridge,